Here's how I used visual effects to flip a truck. Okay, so first I filmed myself not flipping a truck. Pretty sure my neighbors think I'm clinically insane, but it's all good. Then I imported my footage into my 3D software of choice and got to work. I already had a 3D model of a truck from a job I did a while ago, so I sculpted some damage and dents onto it and animated it flipping through the air in slow motion. I also wanted there to be shards of glass flying through the air from the broken windshield, so I set up a particle system to do just that. But I wasn't done yet. See, in the real world, objects make darkness around them. We all have a little darkness around us. Most people just call it a shadow. So I made the ground and I made it catch the shadow of the truck, and now the truck has a shadow and it looks less dumb. For the shot where the truck crashes, I actually used a physics engine to simulate how the truck would roll after hitting the ground. Finally, I just had to render everything out and composite all the layers together, and then boom! The truck is spinning! Wow.